Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a bank account in Amazon. This is essential for managing your payment methods and ensuring smooth transactions when shopping or selling on the platform. Let's get started with the process. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account. Make sure you're signed in properly before moving forward, as you'll need access to your account settings to add your payment information. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the Account and Lists option in the menu bar. Hover your mouse over it and a drop-down menu will appear with various options. From this menu, click on Account. This will take you to your main account settings page where you can manage everything from your orders to your payment methods. Now, look for the option labeled Your Payments and click on it. This section is where all your saved payment methods are stored, including credit cards, debit cards, and bank accounts. It's your central hub for managing how you pay on Amazon. Once you're in the payment section, you'll see a button that says Add a Payment Method. Click on it to begin the process of adding your new payment option. This will open up a menu showing you several different payment types you can add to your account. You'll notice several options available, such as adding a credit card, debit card, or bank account. For this tutorial, let's click on Add a Credit or Debit Card. This option allows you to link a card directly to your Amazon account for quick and secure payments. Now it's time to enter your card details. You'll see fields asking for your card number, the name as it appears on the card, the expiration date, and the security code on the back. Fill in each field carefully to ensure your information is accurate. Double-check everything before proceeding, as incorrect details could prevent the card from being added. Once you've entered all the required information, click on Add Your Card. Amazon will process the information and add the card to your account. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your payment method has been successfully added. And that's it. You've successfully added a payment method to your Amazon account, making it easier to complete purchases and manage your transactions going forward. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.